From your friends at Superior Transmission Parts Inc., one click, 1 minute on why you need to use our part in your next transmission rebuild. Our K0145 Power Tow Performance Fairbanks Performance Super Servo for a 4L60, 4L65, and 4L70E transmission immediately have easy to read and assemble instructions on the servo. And inside the box, we have our springs bagged and tagged. The pin comes with a max length AC Delco GM pin, the Super Servo seals, and again, our servo uses Teflon sealing rings for quick release and quick apply. The K0145 is the best servo because it uses the smallest ratio besides our biscuit servo. The small ratio still allows us to have accumulation, which makes it the best servo for a truck. And it's high quality billet aluminum. It's a quick install part. Pop the clip on the side of the transmission and it drops right in. From your friends at Superior Transmission, thanks again for a minute of your time.